frost on my skin, door frame waits, come in. Bare feet touch kitchen floor, wood so cold, nothing more. Feel it rise through my bones, ice that climbs all alone, all alone. Feel it rise. Coffee cup warm my hands, but the chill still commands. Feel it rise through my bones, as they climb all alone. Summer's gone, left me here, winter's breath drawing near. Pull the shawl round my chest, cold won't let me find rest. Feel it rise through my bones, ice that climbs all alone, all alone, all alone. Feel it rise. Frame waits, come in, morning frost on my skin. Sun through the window, dust on my hands. Quiet like waiting for something to land. You sit across, eyes down, half gone. Table between us, words mostly withdrawn. Splinters trace my palm, swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds away. Morning light won't walk away. It's just wood, but you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. shadow, neither of us will. Splinters trace my palm. Swallow, stay calm. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light won't walk away. It's just wood, but you press your hands like you want answers from where it stands. Hands on the table, mine and yours, still as winter, quiet wars. If I move, would you stay? Would you follow or fade away? It's just wood, holds everything. Well, we lost what we bring. It's just wood, but it holds the weight. Morning light still won't sing. Sun through the window, dust start to spin. Table remembers where we have been. There's a word I've carried in my chest, like a stone too heavy to confess. It sits beneath my ribs and waits, while seasons change and time debates. Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead. With me, will you forgive me? Forgive me. Oh, I see your face in morning light and wonder if you sleep at night, or if you're lying there like me, with words we'll never set free. Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead. Forgive me, please forgive me. Oh, time moves slow when hearts are breaking. Every breath feels like I'm taking more than what I deserve to have, when I can't give back what you gave. If I could turn the pages back and fill the space where words we lack, I'd tell you every single day how sorry feels in every way. Will you forgive me? Will you forgive me? Can you forgive me? For all the things I should have said, the chances that I chose instead. Will you forgive me? Oh, forgive me. Please forgive me. Oh. There's a word I've carried in my chest. The porch swing still creaks the same when the wind picks up bad dust. Your coffee cup sits on the rail, gathering autumn dust. I haven't moved it from that spot since you walked away. I see you in the empty spaces where you used to stand. Feel you in the silence that I'll never understand. Every room still holds your memory like footprints in the sand. I see you in the empty spaces where you used to stand. The garden gate hangs open wide, the way you always left it. Said it made the yard feel free. Now it just looks broken. Your favorite roses still bloom red, but no one's there to see. Spaces where you used to stand. Feel you in the silence that I'll never understand. Every room still holds your memory like footprints in the sand where you used to stand. Sometimes I catch myself setting 2 plates for dinner. Sometimes I hear your laugh from the kitchen, but when I turn around, there's nothing but the air. I know you're building something new, somewhere I've never been, with hands that used to tend this place, now planting different seeds. I hope you think of me sometime when your new garden grows. I see you in the empty spaces where you used to stand. Feel you in the silence that I'll never understand. Every room still holds you, never like footprints in the sand. I see you in the empty spaces where you used to stand. Where you used to stand. Where you used to stand. There's a place I carry in my chest where the mountain morning never ends. Take way back. Oh, back to where back to where reflects dancing in the wind again, like my grandmother's weathered hands. Take me, baby. Back to where back to where every breath here tastes like leaving. Every step here pulls me thin. Take me back. Take me back to where back to where I belong. Oh, weathered hands hold worn out papers, bills and worries, world's waits. Coffee's cold, conversations careful, news keeps bringing broken dates. Oh la la la. When the world won't slow, when the worried wind blows, we're just holding on. We're just holding on. Can't catch breath between the breaking. Headlines hurt, hope's hard to hold. Maybe tomorrow brings something better. Stories shared, silence sold. Mama used to say, child, this too shall pass, but the passing's taken longer than I thought it would last. When the world won't slow, when the worried wind blows, we're just holding on. We're just holding on. Weathered hands still hold together. What's left worth saving here? Oh, la la la. Mama's old truck sits by the gate, rust eating through the blue paint. I keep her keys in my coat pocket, but she ain't drove in 3 years now. The mailbox still bears her maiden name, mine right underneath it. Sometimes I catch myself waiting for her voice to call me in. These dirt roads home don't lead nowhere, just circle back to where we started. And I'm still here, still waiting for something that ain't coming back. The porch light burns through another night. These dirt roads home don't lead nowhere, just circle back to where we started. And I'm still here, still waiting for something that ain't coming back. Found her diary in the kitchen drawer, pages yellowing, faded thin. She wrote about leaving this place every summer since she turned 16. The winter always brought her back to mend what spring had torn apart. And here I am reading her words like they might tell me what to do. Maybe leaving ain't the answer, maybe be staying ain't the cure. Maybe home is just a feeling that we carry in our chest. These dirt roads home don't lead nowhere, just circle back to where we started. And I'm still here, still waiting for something that ain't coming back. Mama's old truck sits by the gate, and I still keep her keys. You asked me what I was afraid of, la la la. I couldn't find the words that day. Now I know, now I see it, heart to 10. Now I see us watching sand slip through my fingers when there's still so much to say. We're living on borrowed time, borrowed time. Oh, every heartbeat's just alone. Borrowed time, borrowed time. And I can't bear to face it alone. La la la. Your mother called this morning early, la la la. Said the doctors wanna talk again. I held the phone against my shoulder while I made your coffee black, the way you like it, the way you've always had it, before everything you went wrong. We're living on borrowed time, borrowed time. Oh, every heartbeat's just alone. Borrowed time, borrowed time. And I can't bear to face it alone. I count the pills beside your water glass. I memorize the way you laugh. And nothing much and everything. Oh, how I wish I could give you mine. All of mine. So tell me what you're thinking of when you stare out the yard. No, you see what I can't see yet. Spring that we might not both share. But I'm here now, I'm right here now. That has to count for something. We're living on borrowed time, borrowed time. Oh, every heartbeat's just alone. Borrowed time, borrowed time. But we don't have to face it alone. La la la. We don't have to face it alone. You say you're fine. I see the strain behind your eyes. There's hidden pain. Tell me what's inside your heart. Don't pretend it's just the start of something small that's eating you. Da da dee, da da do. Your hands shake now when you think I don't see. But I know how this cuts Don't hide from me what tears you down. I need to see what makes you frown. Tell me what's inside your heart. Don't pretend it's just the start. Something small that's eating you. Da da dee dee, da da dee. I've been sitting by this window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. The coffee's cold, the morning's gray, and I can't remember yesterday. My thoughts drift like autumn leaves through memories I can't retrieve. The clock just ticks away the hours while I count wilted garden flowers. It's just dust and time sailing on my mind. Dust and time. There's a photograph upon the shelf of a woman who looks like myself, but younger, brighter than I am, before the world broke all her plans. I trace the outline of her face, wonder how she'll away from hope, the girl who forgot her dreams and goals. It's just us in time, settling on mine. Dust and time. Maybe tomorrow I'll clean this place. Maybe tomorrow I'll find my grace. But today I sit and watch the sun mark another day that's come undone. The teacup rings stain the old oak table. My hands shake more than they are able to hold the weight of all these years of unspoken words and unshed tears. But in this quiet, broken space, I'm learning how to find my place among the dust that gathers here, between regret and fading fear. It's just us and time. Window pane, watching seasons come and go like rain. You carry your heart like a burden, heavy between your ribs. I watch you walk through my kitchen kitchen, like water through a sea. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Oh, are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? Your coffee sits there growing cold while you stare out at the rain. I know that look behind your eyes, like you're already on a train. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? Dust on all your suitcases, but your shoes are worn thin. Tell me what you're running from that won't let you settle in. Are you always passing through every place you've ever been? Oh, are you always passing through, never staying, never staying? Never staying. Your hands are always cold now, even when the fire's burning bright. I reach across this empty bed, but there's no warmth left to find tonight. Cold hands, cold heart, that's what my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold heart, but yours weren't always this way. I remember summer evenings when your touch could make me whole. Now I'm shivering in December, and there's ice around your soul. Cold hands, cold heart, that's my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold heart, but yours weren't always this way. Does manos están tan frías como el viento del invierno. Ya no siento tu cariño, solo veo tu silencio. Used to trace your fingers down my spine in the morning light. Now you barely touch me, and it doesn't feel right. I'm trying to remember when the change began. Was it gradual or sudden? I don't understand. Your hands used to shake when you'd hold my face, and now they're steady as stone, cold as winter's embrace. I keep the thermostat high, but it doesn't matter. Your coldness runs deep in the skin, it's getting sadder. Every day I wake up hoping you'll be warm again, but your hands tell a story that my heart can't comprehend. Cold hands, cold heart, that's what my mama used to say. Cold hands, cold heart, but yours were always this way. I still reach for you in the dark, hands, hoping to feel that spark. But all I find is empty space, hands, where love used to live in this place. Your hands always cold now, even when the fire's burning bright. I reach across this empty bay, but there's no more